y'all, I am coming to you. I am doing a wax. I've been getting waxed my entire pregnancy, so I'm going to see my girl Alexis and we gonna wax. I'm actually overdue. It's been 2 months since I got a wax, so it's a little bit foresty down there, but I'm just gonna show y'all my overall reaction and how I actually take the wax. I'm gonna take you with me. Stay How you been?
You got this one. I've been good. I've been good. Busy. Tell me how you doing it.
Okay.
And we ready. It's gonna be easy. It's gonna be easy.
I almost was so tempted to shave too.
Boom. I know you was ready. And it's getting hot outside too.
Yeah.
You know you ready.
Oh God.
Watch out Thanksgiving.
You been busy?
Yes. A lot of new people just because it's been getting hot too. A lot of new people been
good.
Like, okay, y'all. Okay.
Do you have any new clients? So you said new clients.
And then a lot since I started doing the vajacials. They've been on it.
Oh, good.
I'm like, okay, y'all. They like it. Just because I love the oranges.
Good.
Exfoliate the skin. Love it.
Good.
I did one of my mom. She was like, okay, when is my next one?
Oh, she ready.
I'm like, girl, really?
Ooh.
Yep, one more.
Ah!
Yep.
Woo! Oh my God. Oh. Oh. It's so sensitive.
Yep.
Oh my God.
Definitely is. And it's closer to.
Oh my goodness.
You said this way. Oh, this way.
Jesus, help me.
Oh, I feel it for you.
Y'all, this hurts.
And they do say, yep, when you're pregnant and you definitely feel it. It's definitely feelable. That's why I'm going to transfer you. Yep, one more. Got it. I know the baby like, Mama.
The stuff we go through.
Yes.
I got a maternity photo shoot tomorrow, so I gotta have this gone.
Oh yeah, I was like, you know what? Let me text her right now.
Yeah. Jesus. So do you normally work throughout the week?
Yep, I work every day except Sunday.
Okay.
Yep, I'm always here. Got it. It's coming up great.
Maybe I should have trimmed it. Is it fine? Should I trim it?
No, you fine. It's coming up great.
Jesus.
It's funny because I just know the feeling. Oh my goodness.
Oh my God. That one getting closer to the lips.
Yep. We're working our way into it now. Right at the top. I'm telling you, the baby's like, okay now.
He's like, where is this?
You're like, what's going on out there? One more.
Oh.
Yep, got it.
I ain't never been as loud. Oh, jeez.
Yep.
Oh, yeah. Lord Jesus.
We good. You making it
Lord
through the
Jesus.
For sure making it through the worst. But yeah, we have to go through a lot.
Yes.
You get a wax too.
Man. My one friend is like, oh no, I will not, because she's pregnant too. She was like, no, absolutely not.
Like, I'm not even going to put myself through it.
She was like, I just near it.
Oh, the near.
Oh.
I know that near. Oh my goodness. Show it away.
Because the near isn't good, right?
Nope. Just because it's almost like an expired relaxant. If you smell it, you be like, oh yeah.
The chemicals, yeah.
And it gets trapped in the pores, and most people don't know that. It's trapped in the pores. Nobody exfoliate for real when they get a when they near their
when they near, right?
So it's like, oh, do you really want to keep using it and keep using it? Putting
Yeah.
all the chemicals down there. And
I've only done it once or twice, but it wasn't my thing either.
Yep. Me too. When I first heard about it, or when I first knew about it, I tried it on my legs first, and that smell, I'm like, ooh,
yeah.
Go.
Like, you definitely can't go down there.
Yep. So after, I tried it literally right across the top, and I'm like, no, I'm not even.
That smell is terrible.
So I'm not even about to do this.
Oh, God.
And I got tired of shaving. One more. Got it. Yep. About to lay down.
Oh, the lips. The lips. Jesus.
You made it through the top then. So you know you doing good. You like, next?
Jesus.
And I'm gonna pull it super fast.
Oh, here we go.
Yup, super fast.
Oh my goodness.
Just be the ones.
Uh-oh.
Yep, putting all the hair inside. All the hair inside.
Oh.
But you're doing good. Put a little more on top, and then I'm gonna let it drop.
Okay.
How you feeling? You need a
I'm good. You done got faster too.
Okay.
Woo.
Had to. Oh my God. All right, I'm gonna let that drop for a second, and I'm gonna lay a touch-up strip. This ain't gonna kill. Got it. Ready?
Okay. Oh my God, here the lips.
You got this. Okay, I'm gonna mix it up first. One more. Okay.
Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Oh, Jesus.
It did great.
Oh. Oh my God.
Say qualifier.
Oh Jesus. Jesus. Oh my God.
Let it out, because I know how you feel it. Oh, I know how you feel. Right now, it's step one.
Uh-oh. And I'm gonna have to do one more before I deliver.
Got to.
One more.
Okay, so lift it.
Oh.
Got it.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
I know.
Lord Jesus. Maybe I waited too long. I don't know. Oh God.
I did.
Jesus.
You did very good.
Jesus. When you get pregnant, girl, you're gonna be like, oh, she was right.
It's funny, I was literally thinking that earlier, like, I wonder how would I have to have somebody wax me, because I couldn't even.
You won't be able to even see down there. I can't see nothing. I can't even see my feet.
That's what I was saying, like, it would be so hard, but hopefully it won't be as bad. But I know I'm still feeling it, because no matter what.
Yeah.
So,
Jesus.
Oh, you rocking it out though. I'm gonna touch up the lip.
Okay.
And then bust strip, and you made it through.
Okay.
So these the easy ones.
Yeah. Once you get after the you do that lip,
yep,
it feel better.
The first ones, all right now. Stay low. Yep, and one more. Got it.
That wasn't that bad right there.
You did good with that. All right, one more on the other side. And you out of pain. But they came pretty good. Because they was ready.
Good. So do you do sugaring too, or just waxing?
So just regular waxing. With the hard and the soft wax. This right now is the hard wax.
Hard wax.
Yep. And then with the soft wax, I use that on the legs because they got the softer hair.
Okay.
Yep. Or the arms and eyebrows.
Okay. Yeah, I don't know. I feel like the sugar would hurt more, but people, I don't know. People say it's like equally the same.
I heard that a lot just because with the sugar waxing, you see how I lay the strip
and
I pull it. The sugar waxing is almost like it's in the ball.
Right, and it's constant pulling, ain't it?
And some people, if that's your first time, you're gonna be like, all right, you know, I'm straight. I won't ever do this again.
Yeah.
So that sugar waxing is crazy. I haven't got it done yet, but I'm hearing a lot of like it hurts.
Yeah. See, this is quick. I can do the quick.
In and out. Like 15 minutes and be cool. Yep. Got it. You made it through. Ready for the butt strip?
Yes.
So I'm happy that I was like, come on.
Ooh, I'll be hot. So what, moving forward?
Yeah, you can stay just like that and I'm gonna have you with the feet.
Okay.
Right? Yep. And it's gonna be real fast. But you made it through the fire. You have made it through the fire.
Jesus. I need to get ready for this position at the doctor's office.
They gonna be like, all right, ma'am. Like, it's that time. Oh, wait, that's gonna be something.
Man.
That's why I'm so scared.
I am scared.
But you got it, though. You got this.
I'm going with the drugs. Give me the drugs.
Do you need a epidural?
Yes, ma'am.
I had asked my mom there recently. I'm like, so did you have to do that? She was like, girl, hell yeah.
Right.
Okay. I got to. I think I'll come up.
Yeah, I think I need to do it.
That thing right there, that's gonna shock the shit out of me. But it's gonna be worth it.
It's gonna be worth it.
One more.
Woo.
Got it.
Oh, God.
One more on the other side and you are done. But they came great.
Good. And it's still 72 hours before I can exfoliate.
So no, you can do 48 hours.
48.
But since your skin is still fresh, I would wait.
Okay.
2 hours.
Okay.
Because your hair take a while to grow back.
Mm-hmm.
So your skin's still gonna be fresh for a minute.
Okay.
I'm gonna take that last one.
Mm-hmm. Ooh.
All on. So now you stay like that for a few seconds.
Okay.
Make the wax on. Make sure you ain't sticking together.
Okay.
And then put the gel on your nails.
Jesus, thank you, thank you, thank you.
Yes, you made it through. Okay, I'm gonna have you put them in a butterfly.
Okay.
You're gonna wipe the wax off the top.
Whew.
Made it through. Back to life.
Jesus. You got somebody coming in after me?
Yep, just one more person.
Okay.
And then I'm out for the day.
Oh, good.
I'm like, it's a nice day.
Yeah, it's really nice. I'm so glad it's kind of warming up a little bit.
I'm so happy you're doing that. Because that cold, I'm so done with that.
Yeah.
This Michigan weather.
It's crazy.
Damn.
Oh, good. Thank you.
You made it.
Oh, Jesus.
Yep.
Oh, Lord. So tell them where they can find you on Instagram.
At Choye Balex. On Instagram, CHOYE Balex. And I'm right in Southfield. Come see me.
Yeah, she is amazing.
Yes.
She had a little pillow for me because I'm a special guest.
Had to make sure you're comfortable. Because I know it's that time.
Thank you, thank you.
Yes.
Jesus. I feel like a new person, y'all. Brand new person.